Good morning from freezing cold Canada. It is Colin. That is my PP2. And today, believe it or not, look at this weather. I'm taking my beloved Mustang to the dealership to swap out the tires and get it tinted. Problem is, my entire road is covered in salt and sand. I'm a little sick about it. So right now, it's minus 5 degrees Celsius. It is freezing out. It's below freezing. What better opportunity to do a cold start? Yeah? Let's do it. She's gonna be a new animal after this. We're gonna get 20% tint. We're gonna get the Pilot Sport 4S's put on today, just in time for the winter. It's a sad time. And here's the problem with the black car. This has only been in here for 2 days. Look at that. My goodness. It's crazy. Okay guys, fast forward 4 days. The weather has been crap. It is winter here in Canada. Tint is done. Check this out. And don't forget about the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. They are mounted, they look great, and the dealership didn't scuff the PP2 wheels, so it's a win-win for everybody. Okay, this is wrapping the car up for the season. I'm about to give it a foam cannon wash, then I'm going to polish it, then I'm going to put a Hydro Slick ceramic coating from Chemical Guys on the car, and I just thought you might find it interesting to see that in time lapse. So let's do it, and go. No joke, it is absolutely freezing out. I think it is 1 degree Celsius. You Americans can do the math, but yeah, it's so cold. But these are the things we do for our girls before we put them away for the winter. So I'm gonna dry her off, and yeah. But I just wanted to bring you guys along, check out the tint, check out the tires, and watch me kind of get ready to put her to sleep for the winter. It's a sad day. All right, guys, thanks for checking in. Hope you have a good day today, good day tomorrow, and maybe I'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.